guys, I wanted to show you how to access your online textbook, okay? So here you are, you're on your home page of your Canvas. You're going to scroll down until you see the HMH. You're going to click on that box and you need to find our school. So you need to click on Independent School. You're going to tell it that you're Nevada, obviously, and then you're going to type in Coral Academy, and you're going to start looking for it. It's got to say Coral Academy and then Sandy Ridge. Okay, so make sure that you're in Sandy Ridge. All right, so when it asks you for a username and password, your username is going to look just like mine. It's the first letter of your first name and then your whole last name. So my first name is Lori, my last name is Hunsicker, so mine is L. Hunsicker. Unless I've sent you an email or a message through Canvas, your username is going to look like this. There's a small list of people behind me on the board that have to have a different username, but I've sent you a message, okay, so look for that. And then everybody's password is the same. It is Coral20 with a capital C. Again, that's Coral20 with a capital C. Okay? When you get in your online textbook, it's going to look a little different for you than it probably does for me. So I am right now in the teacher side of things, and so it probably looks a little bit different for you. As far as what you have access to, you should have access to the student edition and the journal practice workbook. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, there might be two of those. There's been a lot of schedule changes, and it's just easier for me to fish it out to everybody. But here's what I need to share with you and what I wanted to tell you, okay? When you click on your student edition and it opens up for you, over on the side, over in the left-hand corner, there's like a little hamburger, right? And it says Contents. If you click on that Contents, you can type in whatever page number your homework assignment is on. So if your homework assignment is on page 10, I'm on page 10, you can just type it right in. If your homework assignment is on page 52, you can just type it right in and it will take you right to page 52. Okay, so I definitely wanted to show you that. The other thing that I wanted to tell you and show you is that you don't want to be done with this assignment. You don't want to turn it in. You don't want to submit it. You don't want to call it done. You want to leave it open or continue so that you will always have access to this student edition. Okay, and again, this is the student edition. Must have clicked on the wrong thing that I am referring to. Okay, the student edition. You want to always have access to that. So never close that one out. Okay. The other thing that you have is the workbook, the journal practice workbook. This is the online version of what you physically picked up in materials pickup day or in the office. And so if your assignment, say, is to do page 3 or part of page 3, this is going to get fished out to you in case you don't have this. Okay? If you have this, you can go ahead on your screen in here and you can close this assignment out. So you can submit, you can make it done or whatever. I'm thinking that it's going to get off of your screen and it won't be there anymore, like an assignment that you need to do. So you're welcome to close those out. That's just in case you ever don't have your paper. Again, student edition, you want to leave open so that you have access to it all the time. Okay? Send me an email if you have any questions or if you're having trouble getting logged in.